Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Miss Chirana Patel from Pvblink. A very warm welcome to EQ ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
Ma'am, can you enlighten us about how much business have you done last financial year?
Yes, sure. Actually, first of all, I will tell you about Pvblink Technologies Private Limited. Okay. So Pvblink Technologies Private Limited is an inverter manufacturing company, and our product is on-grid and off-grid inverter, and we are based in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. We have started means last year only, last year, and in starting phase we have done a 12 to 15 megawatt business in last year in our starting phase.
That's great ma'am, that's great. And may I know what are your targets or anticipate business for this financial year?
Yes, sure. For this year, we have taken a 500 megawatt target, as a residential market is also going on in Gujarat, also on in India national level also.
Right ma'am. And can you let us know about your current product, technology and service offerings?
Yes, sure. Currently, we have a 1 to 30 kilowatt inverter range for residential and in industrial projects. We have 1 to 30 kilowatt range in on-grid inverters, and in off-grid we have 1 to 20 kVA inverter range is available. And also we have our efficient and technical R&D team who is working in product innovations and developing the products.
Oh wow ma'am. So can I get an idea what are the product launch plans for this year?
Yes. For this year, we are going to launch our industrial range up to 100 or 1 to 10 kilowatt.
Wow ma'am. So for your product, what are the product you're displaying in this Intersolar?
For this year in Intersolar, we have displaying our on-grid inverter for residential and industrial range. It's a 1 to 30 kilowatt range, and in off-grid we have displaying 1 to 20 kVA.
Oh, that's great ma'am. For last not the least, can you let us know about little bit about EQ, our feedback, anything?
Yes, sure. EQ is a media through which we can explore our market, and it's very much helpful for us.
That's
in
great.
solar industry.
That's great ma'am. That's great. Thank you so much for your time. Lots of good success to Pvblink. Thank you ma'am.